Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Outlook and confirming your version because options differ slightly. Next, export or note any custom views. This prevents accidental loss of layout tweaks. Once done, switch to Mail View and position yourself where you'll change panes. Now, go to View on the ribbon and click Change View. This is the first actionable step to alter layout. Make sure to keep the navigation pane visible. It acts as your anchor while you modify reading and folder panes. Once you've opened View Settings, adjust the navigation pane to compact, normal, or off. This determines how many folders you see. Then change the reading pane to right, bottom, or off. Drag the divider to tweak message preview size because visual balance improves scanning. You should also click View Settings to refine sort, group by, and conditional formatting. These control what appears and why. After applying, scan your inbox to verify message density and visual hierarchy. Match your workflow. To finish, save your new layout using Change View, then save Current View or Export Settings so you can restore them later. Once saved, test by navigating folders and composing a message to confirm pane behavior. If things go wrong, try View Reset View to revert because corrupted view files are common. Also, disable add-ins and update Outlook before resetting. These steps often fix persistent layout glitches. Finally, restart Outlook and verify your saved view loads correctly, ensuring a consistent workspace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.